It's cool. Whatever those mushrooms are. There's a lena there, down there, and then one that goes there. It's a great little hidey hole, this is. There's the main wood all up there. There's a bank up to the top where we've been. And then under here, just bear with me a sec. There's that monstrosity there. Definitely not from here. I mean, look at it. There's no way that that grew there or fell there. And then next to it, there's another one. Again, different type of tree, no bark wedged in there. And you're under like this little dome. Cool. No one can see you. You can see everybody else. Well, you see the path, field over there, and then there's a path up there. No one's going to see you in here. Anyway, on to the next little bit. Just thought that was a bit interesting, really. Cheers. Little strange. It's obviously broke this, but didn't grow there. Definitely not. And then it's leant against that's arched and pinned underneath all that lot there. Could be natural, like a lot of these things could, but just thought it was strange that that big stump was leant against an arch. Right, on to the next one. Right, this is one to ponder, and I don't know about this, to be honest. There's a pile of wood there that's obviously been collected a while ago. But you see these horizontals? They've not fallen. They kind of fallen. There's one there, and then there's a bigger one next to it. Then again, there's another one there. I mean, and then there's a lena there, and then one there next to it. Definitely, oh, didn't grow there. There's another. I mean, is that? There's another lena. Is that bushcraft? I mean, you wouldn't really want to be sleeping under it, would you? I've not seen something like that before, really. Obviously you get your horizontals, but not to that extent. They're about 6 foot, 6.5 foot high. Yeah, strange one that. It's at the top of the hill. This isn't the path. The path's the other side of there. About, I don't know, 30 yards maybe a little bit more. There's the odd, where are we? The odd lena It could be natural around here, probably is. Yeah, it's a strange one, that. Or interesting one, let's put it that way. Yeah. Okay, over and out, on to the next bit. Cheers. Right, so through there is where we've just had a look at those horizontals, and then a little bit further along the top there's this big lean, which I'm not sure where that comes from, to be honest. It does look, oh, it's that, yeah, it's from that. It's the same tree. It's the same as that tree there. So it's come from that at some point, I'd presume. But again, for it to fall from, crikey, that is tall, very tall tree. To fall there and then manage to fall into the crook of that, I mean, obviously it's possible. It's I don't know what the odds are, but then see that the other side. Again, pile of wood being collected. Just double check that that's it's a nice little shape, isn't it? It happens, it does happen, obviously. I wonder if that grew there. No, it didn't grow there. It's been brought here. Big chunky bit of wood, that. And so it hasn't fallen there. It's been put there. I would surmise, I would think. Interesting. I'll carry on anyway, and see if we can see any other bits and bobs. Something's been having a mooch around there. Dig. Okay. I'll let you know if we see anything else. Over and out. Another shelter. Quite popular in these woods, aren't they? That's the 6th that I know of. That's just off the path, that is. Regardless of them being bushcraft, I do think they're cool. But again, that's only, what, 5 foot long? So, is it bushcraft? I don't know. It's got a log in there for you to sit in. I suppose if you wanted to sit there all night, it's the perfect place. Yeah, anyway. Onwards and upwards. Cheers. Now next to that structure is this lean. It is leant against the same type of tree, but a lot of the time when you see these leans, and I found it quite a bit, you'll get, see how there's like how can I put it? Look, there's these two twigs here, and then you get an X, big fat slug on it there. Well, obviously it's quite possibly it's just random nature, but that snapped at that end, so it's got to have, there's nothing it could have actually fallen from there, so I think that it might be a lean. And then again here there's that there, again same kind of tree. See it where it goes through there, and again it's snapped at that end, but there's nothing for it to have actually fallen from, so I think that has been put there. I'll get my where's my compass, Mr. Big Step. Let's see where we're at, just in case, never know. No, that's pretty much north-south, that is. Anyway, something else, possibly manipulated. The wind's getting up now. Right, over and out. Right, I think that's it for this one. I just wanted to say thank you to all my subs over the 100 mark, which is ace. Really do appreciate it, thank you. And one of them was, well, it is Dave Cosby, forget me, I think it's Crosby, known now as Dave Woes. Check his channel out, he's down not far from John Spence, showing some great stuff already. Yeah, thank you. And really, these, looking for signs and stuff in these smaller woods, it's just really showing me routes, kind of where they might pass through, well, are passing through. Like I said earlier, they're not places where they can sustain hide them continually, but there's plenty of them for them to travel between, hide when they need to hide, and gather what they need to gather as they pass through. So yeah, my main thing now is going to be to go back to my original place, which, as I said earlier, is a big woodland, mostly private, that could sustain like keep them there when they need to stay in one place, with enough food and cover, and actually start doing some proper research there, spending a lot of time there, audio equipment, nights, but that will become quite boring if there's nothing really happening if I'm doing videos about that. So I'll let you know if anything does occur on that side of things, and then in the meantime I'll show you any time that I find anything else in some other woodland. There's loads around here, just loads of it, where I can, like I say, work out where they're passing through, and what have you. Oh, and yeah, thanks Deb for taking the brunt from outing our friend who's got a sick doggy. Yeah, sick doggy and a lot of money. So yeah, beware. But thanks Deb, fair play to you. And keep your eyes open for Wayne. Right, cool. Speak to you soon. Take care.